Hello, I'm Mrs. Jim. You're welcome to the classroom. Today, our topic is Phonics Sound SH. So, we'll be learning the sound SH makes. You know, S make the sound S and H make the sound H. But when you see S and H together in a word, it's not pronounced S, ha. No. SH makes the sound sh. Like when you want to tell somebody to keep quiet and you say shh, keep quiet. SH says shh, shh. SH says shh, shh. When you want someone to keep quiet, you say shh. SH says shh, shh, shh. SH says shh, shh. SH says shh, shh. When you want someone to keep quiet, you say shh. SH says shh, shh, shh. So now we know that SH makes the sound shh. We'll be taking some words with SH in it. Look at this word here. It has SH in it. Let's try and pronounce it. Can you remember the sound R makes? R says R. You got it correctly. You're awesome. And A says ah. What does SH says? SH says shh. So let's try and pronounce this word. R, A, sh. Rash. Rash, like when you have rashes on the skin. Our next word is WISH. W says W and I says E. SH says sh. Let's try to pronounce the word. W, E, sh. Wish. Like when you wish for something. Here is another word with SH in it. T says T, R says R, A says ah, and SH says shh. Let's try to pronounce the word. T, R, A, sh. Trash. When you trash something. T, R, A, sh. Trash. So remember that SH says shh. SH says shh, shh. SH says shh, shh. When you want someone to keep quiet, you say shh. SH says shh, shh, shh. So I'll leave you with this homework. This is FISH. You can see this is another word with SH in it. You know your SH says shh. Try and pronounce this. See you in the next class.